Good morning, good morning. So who wants crypto to pump? Who wants Bitcoin to get back up to all-time high? And who wants to go and see the altcoins just popping off all at one time and go to these parabolic runs? And we can see in our exchanges or our wallets, see these big chunky gains, and then you can pay your mortgage off, or you can buy a brand new car, go on a spanking new holiday, even retire if you want to. We all want to see it. We all want to see this life changing money, and I'm pretty sure at some point it's going to come soon. It's like CRO in the last bull market. We had that big parabolic move and it went to $1, and and how many people made such a lot of money then? I mean, so when I bought ADA at 7 cents and it went all the way up to close to $3, it was absolutely just fantastic. It was absolutely so exciting. And then we had the bear market, and we here now. We're on that cusp of that breakout, and we could see here on the charts. This is on the 4-hourly. We're just basically just chopping around here. As you can see here, we're just chopping around, hitting, and then basically coming back down, and then basically we want to reclaim back up here and create this $53,000 as support, and then make our way back up. We're creating a bit of a W wedge here, so that's a good bit of bullishness here. We're sort of coming down on here, on the stock RSI, oversold, and then basically we're creating, as you can see here, if I go here again, you can see we're creating a bit of a W, which normally is a good indication that we could break out. Now, obviously, TA doesn't always work, and you can end up breaking down to the downside and finding this support here at around about $48,000. But let's see what happens in the traditional markets, because don't forget we had the video where I had that beautiful run, and then we got the basically traditional markets, the S&P all making their moves back up. And that, so yeah, all looking all good at the moment, and we can see here, like I said, Bitcoin sitting at $51,143. That 50,000 is just a nice support zone at the moment. But if we lose that, like I said, we could go down to 49,000. But obviously, the market cap of Bitcoin at the moment is sitting at just over $1 trillion, with the whole market cap at the whole market at $1.95 trillion. So yeah, and we've got the bubbles here. This is on today. Bit of a mixed bag, we've got some like Filecoin, obviously, it's been making a bit of a move. We've got Fleur, we've got Flow, we've got Stock, we've got FET, Render, HBAR, AJAX, all been making moves. At the moment, everything else has dropped down or just going a bit flat and sideways and that. But like I said, on this market, I really do think gaming coins and AI projects are the ones which are going to lead the market in this parabolic bull run that we are going to have, unless we get some sort of black swan event or something like that. You just don't know, do you? But we can see here we had a bit of a negative day on the Bitcoin ETF a couple of days ago, but at the moment we've got Bitcoin ETF flows from up to the 22nd of February 2024, all data in at 251 million net flow on the 22nd of Feb, a strong day. So yeah, we only had one negative the other day, but yeah, at the moment we've got the flows looking fairly strong. And also we got news here that also we got basically Reddit, also Bitcoin, Ethereum holders in an IPO filing. Soon every company will hold Bitcoin. So they've been with any kind of surplus. I know people say the company haven't got that much money, but any kind of surplus money they're getting, they are building their stack with Ethereum, Matic, and obviously Bitcoin as well, which is all good to see at the moment. But also, what I do like to see here, I will play the video briefly, but we've got Donald Trump. I don't know if you can remember before when he was president, he was very anti-Bitcoin. Then he come out with these trading cards, with ETFs and such like. But if you watch this video, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. I'll give it a go.
The Chinese digital currency. But isn't the next logical step for you to embrace Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin obviously is decentralized. The government can't get its hands on it. What about Bitcoin to all the young people, including African Americans, who are very interested in it?
Well, a lot of people are doing it. I always liked one currency. I call it a currency. I like the dollar. But a lot of people are doing it. And frankly, it's taken a life of its own. You probably have to do some regulation, as you know, but many people are embracing it. And more I'm seeing people wanting to pay Bitcoin. And you're seeing something that's interesting. So I can live with it one way or the other. I've always liked one really powerful.
As you can see here, obviously Donald Trump in the previous bull market and bear market, he was a bit anti-crypto, but like I said, he ended up bringing his ETF cards out. So he's gone, seem like, bit pro Bitcoin, and it maybe it's probably part of his agenda to get the younger voters in, to give him support as well, because he knows a lot of the younger voters in America are very crypto orientated. So hopefully, he's going to come out, if he does become president, he's going to come out with some proper regulation, because at the moment the Biden administration has just been pussyfooting around, not really doing very much to it. It's all been talk and no action. But hopefully this time Donald Trump will come in, and hopefully, people might disagree with me, but hopefully come in and create some proper regulation, just like the UK are doing at the moment. They've come out of their draft bill. So hopefully later on this year, they'll be coming out with a full regulatory framework that will support crypto in a positive way. So with any luck, the UK will be doing that. But we've got one person at the moment who's come out. Again, El Capo. I've taken profits on all positions. I'm totally out of the market now. Look, I do respect him. But, after his previous tweets, I'm out the market, I'm selling, it's going down to, 10K and stuff like that. Never happened. And it was all his fault. If you listen to, even me, if you listen to influencers, always do your own research. This is what I mean. Always do your own research. Don't always listen to what influencers are saying. Use them as a tool to help you aid in your decision making. Do not use them as 100% follow on what they're doing. Just do your own plan. Create your own plan. Listen to what they say. They might come out with sense. They might come out with some little golden nuggets, which could bring out your theses to do what you want to do in crypto or any kind of investing. So, always take it with a pinch of salt. But as you can see here, also trending on finance, more positive than what El Capo is, but trending on, again, it's crypto.com. I keep saying it. Crypto.com is a company that is growing and getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And the more people come into crypto.com, the more people will buy CRO, and you'll start to see the CRO starting to move. And that's what's starting to happen now. But before I get into that, we'll have a quick look here. We can see alt season isn't ready to start yet. It's dropped down a little bit, down at 55. So we're sort of like that in between mark at the moment. So, but one thing I am watching at the moment is the Bitcoin dominance, because Bitcoin dominance had dropped down quite significantly here, and we're just finding a bit of support here. We're just chopping around at the moment. So all we want to do, get that dominance down, Bitcoin to just go sideways, and the alts to start popping off. That's what we like to see. And then, obviously, it all rotates back into Bitcoin and makes our way up. But at the moment, we can see CRO is above $9 at 9 cents. $9. I wish it was $9. We'd be all multimillionaires. But yeah, we're at 9 cents, just over 9 cents, 0.37% on the day. So, it's looking fairly strong at the moment with our gold CRO. And also, we're sort of like slightly down on the CRO versus Bitcoin at the moment. But obviously, like with CRO, lots of things going on within their ecosystem, within the CRONOS, and actually the crypto.com itself. I will be looking forward to seeing how many new, when they do release it, how many more people have downloaded the app and using the crypto.com ecosystem on that. So I'm really absolutely mega bullish on crypto.com and what they're doing. And got every faith in it. The team, the CEO Chris, the Crow fam are all there. The CEO Crow Fam is like a community that is absolutely growing. It's growing day by day. As more people come into the crypto.com ecosystem and the CRONOS ecosystem, so does the community get bigger and bigger and bigger. It's a great community to be in. Everybody, there's lots of people there giving friendly chats, friendly advice, and obviously lots of the Crow Fam are playing games like the Main City. It's worth checking out Main City. I play it now and again. I'm not doing very well in it, I must admit, but Main City, get download it, check it out. It's worth giving it a go, and build. But like I said, with the crypto.com, they're also heading now to the Ethereum Denver. Basically, the Ethereum Denver is I'd say it's one of the largest and longest running blockchain and Web3 events experiences to this year. In 2023, basically the conference recorded, if I can remember rightly, history was over 48,000 attendees from 115 countries. Basically, what the event brings are developers and entrepreneurs, investors, all people from all the all walks of the crypto life to discuss basically Web3 and the crypto innovation. So what's really exciting is, as normal, crypto.com will be there. They're at every event, I think, or they're even giving talks or any information at their desks and such like. So like I said, if you're really interested in crypto.com, it's worth going there and having a chat to them. And unfortunately, I would love to go, but I'm in the UK and it's quite a way for me to travel to get there. But yeah, so it's worth just checking it out, because if I go here, I'm not too sure how much it is at the moment. It says here, non-member GA, $599, and if you're VIP, it's $2,500. So it's worth, just like I said, if you've got the money, it's worth checking it out. And you can go to their Twitter page as well, ETH Denver. But, you know, with CRO, I'm so bullish about it. And I keep saying this in every video. I think it's going to go to $1. And that's been very conservative. $1.50 to $2. And we're seeing people saying $3. You know, this is crypto. People will say, no, not a chance it's ever going to go to $2 or $3. Well, people said that to me when I bought Cardano. When I bought ADA at 7 cents, people say it's not going to go. It's a dead chain. It's not doing anything. It's dead. There's nothing going on. You know, there's nobody there. It's got a big community. Cardano has, and it's just like the Crow Farm, it's getting bigger. And also, you know, people, like I said, people say to me, it's not going to go anywhere, and then it went to $3. I sold some of my ADA when it was around about the $2.50 mark, you know. And this is what I mean when people say it's not going to, CRO can't ever get to like $2 to $3. You don't listen to that. It will do whatever it wants to do. If it wants to get to there, it will do. As people are buying, and you know, and we're going on this parabolic run, you know, things could really shock you and really surprise you from where we are. To me, I wouldn't be surprised, because purely on the basis, it's got a strong ecosystem, it's got numbers growing. They're obviously bringing in a lot of money because all their marketing through, you know, through the stadium, the crypto.com stadium, the F1, the football, you know, everything, UFC. Everywhere. Crypto.com is absolutely everywhere, and all the most households know who Crypto.com are, and then more people get debit cards, more people buy CRO. You know, it all will happen. And, you know, with CRONOS, we've got the APR, which is increasing. We've got so many perks coming into the crypto.com, and the new perks have just arrived. I've already been there in previous videos. It's all mega positive news. I'm so bullish on crypto.com and bullish on the CRO and bullish on the Crow Farm as well, because, you know, it's so much going on. Actually bullish. I could go on all day about crypto.com and how excited I am about it. And you're always going to get your naysayers. You always do. You get them in every ecosystem. It is what it is. But, you know, for me, I'm building my CRO. I'm building it to 1 million CRO. I'm getting there. I'm getting closer and closer and closer. I keep DCAing in through my own pocket and through my debit card and through my staking. You know, I'm just building it up because I want 1 million CRO. And that's what my target is, and I will get it. I've got my focus on it. I'll get it. Any dips, bigger dips that happen, I'll buy some more, and that's how it's going to be. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, always give us a like and subscribe. It's always much appreciated, because, you know, it all helps with the channel. It helps me to build it up over this bull market as well. So it's all, any kind of support is always much appreciated in that lot. So I hope everybody has a great day today. Take care out there. If you're trading, be careful, do your risk management, and never put more money you're willing to lose. And always use my information, if you do, as entertainment purposes. I only ever give the information for what I'm doing personally, you know. So yeah, take care out there, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.